Dah kajeng ang note ban pelong iketanat post office kum kawen iketanat rekam kebaun penan kam dagi bot teknologi haman ki post office kebadan kelang ketan cetela mingi na kaliang ki bor bahakli jong ka North East Postal Circle habe kran berkilat patai kubor kajeng rakhe ke digital week akan ke nong ba shilong kilapun pa bagi kwa babaro ki post office kebadan kelang ki jakanong kendong jong ketan North East kin yo ban pentrekam no de rural information communication technology baru bagin pentrekam no dagi ATM nalor kiwi pan.
So we have this IT project approved by the government for the Department of Post, which is being worked out through 8 silos, and the entire operations and the working of the postal department is to be computerized through these systems. So we have the financial services, which is the banking services, the postal life insurance. All this is to be computerized through the technology partner chosen for it. FSI, we call it Financial System Integrator, and Infosys is doing this project for us.